Yeah, we had a question this week from Rachel in Connecticut, and she's growing a hot sauce. She's doing it indoors, and she's wondering why her peppers aren't producing as much.
Great question. So if you're growing a hot sauce kit or any fruiting variety indoors, there's a couple of factors that you want to think about. The first factor will be light. So are you receiving enough light? Is your plant receiving enough light indoors? If your foliage is nice and green, you're probably receiving enough light as long as your seedlings are not stringy and tall, and that is an indication that there's inadequate light in your house. If you are growing with an LED light and you are seeing flowers, that's awesome. That means that your plant has reached maturity. But indoors, there's the problem of no pollinators. So you can either give your plant a little gentle shake every day, a couple times a day, and that will help move that pollen around to different flowers, and then you'll start to see fruit. Or you can take a very fine-tipped paintbrush and just lace the inside of each flower and just go from flower to flower to flower, and that will absolutely pollinate your plant indoors without the aid of insects or birds. So that will definitely help produce fruit with your hot sauce kit. Great question.